I shoot.
Hung it over the door and jumped off of her desk.
She's trying to break down the door to get to.
Is it on there somewhere?
The sister that was hiding behind the door.
Oh my gosh, she drew pictures of siblings and
Trying to get at them
glaze.
behind that door. She said, "You're so angry."
Oh, wow.
And this is the picture she drew. Her brother and sisters in a grave with grave markers and her on the side.
Go, Birdie, go.
Right.
Go,
It's
Brody,
either
go.
a shovel or something that she,
Or a knife.
or something she killed them with.
I
It's
think
hard
it
to say.
says.
And this was
Good
just a few weeks
job.
ago.
Go, 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 go.
And she
Go, 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 go.
Go.
the only child.
Yay.
All right, next,
Go, 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 go.
This violence
Go,
with her
Birdie.
siblings. Here's Voices.
Great
And
job.
hung herself in the dog collar.